Welcome back to Zero Fat TV Think Different, where we cut through the fitness hype and deliver science-backed insights to level up your health game. Today, we're breaking down creatine, the most researched supplement out there and a game changer for performance. If you're on the fence about adding this powerhouse to your routine, stick around for the full scoop on what it is, its benefits, dosage, and real results. What exactly is creatine? Creatine is a naturally occurring compound made by your body from amino acids and found in foods like red meat and fish. It's primarily stored in your skeletal muscles as phosphocreatine, serving as a quick energy reserve for explosive activities like weightlifting or sprinting. Your body produces about 1 to 2 grams daily, but supplementation can boost those levels for enhanced performance without any guesswork. The science-backed benefits creatine shines by ramping up phosphocreatine stores, allowing your muscles to generate more ATP for greater strength, power, and workout volume. This leads to fuller muscles through cellular hydration, faster recovery, and long-term growth from those extra reps you can now crush. Beyond the gym, emerging research shows the brain relies on ATP for demanding tasks too. Creatine improves memory, focus, and cognitive function, especially in older adults, vegetarians/vegans with lower baseline levels, and those hit by sleep deprivation. Proper dosage and how to use it. Stick to creatine monohydrate. It's the gold standard, cheapest, and most studied form with zero need for fancy alternatives. Option 1. Load with 20 grams daily, split into 4 doses, for 5 to 7 days to saturate muscles fast, then drop to 3 to 5 grams maintenance. Or skip loading and just take 3 to 5 grams daily from the start. It's equally effective long-term, easier on your stomach, and pairs perfectly with any meal or shake. Realistic results and what to expect. Expect a 2 to 5 pound water weight gain in the first week, making muscles look pumped and full. That's the hydration at work, not fat. Over 4 to 8 weeks, you'll lift heavier, recover quicker, and see measurable strength gains, translating to real muscle if your training and diet are on point. Cognitive perks might kick in sooner for brain focus folks, like sharper focus during work or study sessions, proving creatine's whole body impact. Summary and final thoughts. In summary, creatine monohydrate is safe, affordable, and proven to boost physical power, muscle growth, recovery, and even brain function across diverse groups. A simple 3 to 5 gram daily dose unlocks these benefits without cycles or loading if you prefer steady progress. Thanks for watching Zero Fat TV. Think different. Hit like, subscribe, and comment if creatine's next on your list.
Thanks for watching. Yo, what's good, family? Before you bounce, real quick, if you're trying to actually transform your health and get the full menu on everything from nutrition and longevity to mindset, wellness, and all the game-changing topics in between, you need to head over to Zero Fat TV Think Different on YouTube right now. While you're over there, do your boy a solid, smash that like button, share this with somebody who needs it, drop a fire comment with your biggest takeaway or what health topic you want next, and subscribe with the bell on. We're on a mission to blow this channel up over the next few months and build a real community. Your support makes all the difference. I'll see you over there, fam. Let's think different and level up together. Zero Fat TV. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Benny B, PCE. Peace.